Hello friends, welcome to Hello English. My name is Rupam. In today's video, I'm going to tell you something very important. A message which came recently. The message is, I struggle to find the right words when I try to speak in English. Please guide me, sir. So I'm here today with this wonderful video because I know many of you guys are facing the same problem. But before I start, I just want to ask you, are you facing the same problem? Yes or no? Comment and let me know. There is a small story related to this. Let me share with you. Sachin, a guy, he was very good in reading. He can understand everything. The only challenge comes when he has to speak. Whenever he speaks, he gets confused and he stops in between. He was unable to collect words and phrases, and hence his fluency was like zero. He is very depressed. He is very sad and he don't know what to do. He thought maybe this is a problem of vocabulary. Maybe he has not mastered more words and that is the reason why he is unable to talk in English properly. Now, let's talk about why people face this type of situation. I will tell you this is not exactly related to vocabulary. It is only because you don't have the habit of speaking in English. Your environment, your surrounding is not English. You speak for some time, maybe for 1 minute, 2 minutes. After that, you feel uncomfortable. And gradually what you do, you change the language to your mother tongue or the language which you are comfortable speaking because you feel more comfortable speaking in that language. And this is the biggest problem. Your practice is not happening. How you will learn how to speak in English fluently? Remember, you have to come out of your comfort zone.
This is your comfort zone.
It is only possible when you take the step forward. Now tell me one thing. When you talk in your mother tongue, do you fumble? No. Automatically it comes out from your mouth, right? Why it is happening? Only because you have the practice. Every day you speak the same language. Now imagine that you speak English every day. A day will come very soon that you will not fumble. Because your practice will be happening. So it is all about the practice, my dear. So I will give you one exercise. I have come up with one easy exercise which will give you a thumbs up in English. So let's come to the technique. Let me talk about this. This is called theme-based method. It is divided into two parts. So what you have to do? The first part, understand the theme and later create a story from that. So there are 3 steps in this theme-based method. Remember, there are 3 steps, okay? Firstly, knowing the theme and working on that. Now, this is very important. If you are a student, you have to choose a theme based on your studies, based on your area. You can say like speech. What type of conversation you have every day? You talk to your friends regarding homework. You talk to your friends regarding different topics which are taught in the class. You talk to your parents. You talk to your teachers. You talk about summer holidays, tuitions, girlfriends, boyfriends. So these are your area of talks. So this is your theme. Next, if you are a marketing guy, you will be meeting the clients. You will be meeting your boss. You will be holding some presentations. So you have to choose a theme based on that. Now as a trainer, I'm a teacher. For me, I have to choose a theme based on my profession. Like lesson creation, new topics, talking to students, talking to the parents, etc. So every person, no matter which segment they are in, you need to choose a theme you are mostly surrounded by. This is the first step. Got it? You have to choose a theme. Secondly, based on the theme, you have to choose 4 words. Yes, this is important. Once you get the theme, collect 4 words from anywhere you like. Easy words, remember, okay? Not so tough, not new. It should be the words which you already know. For example, let's take the theme cooking. Suppose someone is a homemaker, someone is a housewife, and she selects the theme cooking. And the words you can select 4 words I told you, right? Like vegetables, salt, breakfast, tasty. So these all words are related to cooking. Now tell me, these words are tough? No, these are the words which we use on a regular basis. So as per the rule, as I said, you should choose only easy words. Now based on your theme, if you have some other theme, you have to choose some other words, 4 words. Okay, some easy 4 words. The main concept, remember, is choose those words which you will find comfortable speaking. Got it? Finally, what to do? You have to create a story now. The final part. Step 1, you got a theme. Step 2, you have taken 4 words. Step 3, now you have to create a story. A small story, say 3 to 4 lines. And yes, you can try to relate that to your life, because it will be easy. When you relate something to your life, it gets easy. You have the idea how to express that. The point is, every time you think about these words, you relate that to your story, or the other way around. It's very simple, believe me, my dear friend, but it just needs some practice. Now, how you can do this? Let me give you an example. Okay, you have the words vegetables, salt, breakfast, and tasty. So, you can write like this. Last month, my cousin came from our village and he got some organic vegetables. Next, he said he wanted to have that for breakfast. I cooked that, but forgot to pour some salt. But he said that the breakfast is very tasty. Now see, I have talked in a very easy sentence. Next time when I will be speaking on this topic, I will automatically remember these words: breakfast, salt, tasty, vegetables. It will automatically come in my mind. Just that I have to practice few more times, When I practice this, it will be stored in my mind. So in this way, choose a theme. Select 4 words, try to make sentences out of that. Okay? Today something you do. Tomorrow some other theme. Day after tomorrow some other theme. Practice this. Say, this technique, this exercise will not take more than 10 minutes. So take out 10 minutes in your day and try this for 1 month, I will say, and see how much your mind opens up, how much your thinking in English improves. This is a great technique, my dear friend. What will happen? You will not fumble. You will not be in a position where you go blank. You can easily handle situations. Just that you have to practice. I hope you have understood this. Any question? You can let me know. I will see you again. Thank you.